ask me, is it possible to train your brain to help you make more money?
You have to understand that you're going into a huge lifestyle change.
I know nothing about technology. I know nothing about management. I know nothing about it. But the only thing is that you don't have to know a lot of things. You have to find the people who are smarter than you are.
What if I told you that the hardest money you'll ever make is your first $10,000? According to CNBC, 61% of young adults struggle with basic financial literacy. But today, I'll show you how to break the cycle with 3 proven steps to your first $10,000. Chapter 1. Why the first $10,000 matters. Forget millions. Focus on making your first $10,000 because that's where everything changes. It doesn't matter if you're just a teenager, have no degree, no experience, and no savings. Just set one goal. I am going to earn $10,000. Why that number? Because making your first 10 grand teaches you a fundamental truth. Making money is a skill, not luck. According to Tom Corley, author of Rich Habits, self-made millionaires didn't start rich. They started by learning how to generate one income stream and build from there. That first milestone builds confidence, discipline, and momentum. So if I had to do it all over again, starting from zero, here's exactly how I'd do it. Not with crypto, not by trading stocks, not chasing shortcuts, just real scalable steps anyone can use. Chapter 2. Step 1. Start with in-person services. Let's start with something simple, selling in-person services. Think dog walking, tutoring, car washing, lawn care, or even delivery gigs. They may seem basic, but they work. Why? Because they pay you fast. There's no waiting for clients to pay invoices or products to sell. In areas with higher disposable income, opportunities often appear in simple problems, like dirty cars in wealthy neighborhoods, overgrown gardens in well-kept suburbs, or busy parents who need help. Offering a direct solution can quickly lead to paid work. Door-to-door car washing with basic tools like a bucket and sponge is one example. It requires no website, no business cards, just a service offered directly and reliably. The main drawback is that this type of work doesn't scale. Income is limited by time and energy, as only one customer can be served at a time. However, it generates fast cash flow and builds strong work habits. This approach is effective for earning the first $1,000 to $3,000, which can then be reinvested into more scalable ventures. Chapter 3. Step 2. Experiment with local products. Next, turn that cash into a product-based hustle. Local products like handmade jewelry, baked goods, artwork, or vintage items can sell well at markets or on platforms like Etsy. Materials cost money, and local demand may be limited. Without enough customers willing to pay premium prices, profits can be low and burnout can happen quickly. Selling a hobby like baking or painting can be a way to turn passion into income, but fast returns shouldn't be expected. This stage is more about learning how to create and deliver value. Some areas have strict health codes or permit requirements for selling food or crafts. Always check local regulations before setting up a stall or opening an online shop. Chapter 4. Step 3. Go global with online products. This is where things get interesting. Selling global products like dropshipping, digital prints, or even branded merchandise. Because once you go online, your audience expands from your town to the whole world. According to Shopify's 2025 trend report, digital product sales such as print-on-demand t-shirts and custom templates are among the fastest-growing online markets for young entrepreneurs. Manufacturing no longer requires owning a factory. Starting with just a laptop and platforms like Printful, Teespring, or Etsy is possible. This business model requires patience, as most profits are reinvested. Selling 10 shirts often means needing to buy 20 more. It's a cycle that, once it gains traction, can become one of the most passive ways to earn $10,000. However, it's neither fast nor free, with an expected ramp-up period of 1 to 3 months. Chapter 5. The best option. Starting with online services like copywriting, video editing, social media management, thumbnail design, or ad strategy is a smart move. These services are in high demand, easy to learn, and can be done from anywhere. They have a global market, meaning clients can be located anywhere. They offer high profit margins since, after learning the skill, most of the earnings go directly to the service provider. Additionally, they require little to no startup cost, just a laptop, internet connection, and time. A 2025 Fiverr report shows that top freelancers in these fields earn over $2,000 a month, even part-time. So it's a real way to earn while keeping your schedule flexible. You don't need to be perfect to begin. Start small, charge less, and build your experience. The goal at first is to earn and learn. Now, how do you stand out and grow quickly? Let's get into that next. Chapter 6. The $10,000 Skill Pyramid. If you want to earn $10,000 a month, having just one skill isn't enough. You need 4 key elements working together: positioning, leverage, reach, and scale. Think of it like a pyramid. Each part supports the next. Let's break them down. The first part is positioning. This is how you present yourself and your skills to potential clients. Businesses are happy to spend money if it helps them make even more money. That's why your skill needs to be connected to results, especially money-making results. For example, don't just say you're a video editor. Say you make ad videos that help e-commerce stores sell more products. If you design thumbnails for YouTube, explain how your designs increase views and clicks. If you're a writer, focus on writing landing pages that help businesses get more customers, not just blog posts. This change in how you describe what you do can help you charge much higher rates. Also, aim for industries that already spend money on services like yours. These include fitness, finance, education, and coaching. These businesses are used to spending a few $1,000s if they believe it will bring in much more. The second part is leverage. If you charge by the hour, you limit your income because there are only so many hours in a day. Instead, focus on charging based on the results you bring. If your work helps a business earn $20,000, then charging $2,000 is completely fair. This kind of pricing works well if you do things like run Facebook ads, create email campaigns, improve SEO, or build sales funnels. The key is to stop thinking about the time you spend and start focusing on the value you deliver. That's how you get paid what your work is truly worth. Then there's reach. How many people see your work? Don't chase clients. Let them find you. Share what you do on platforms like TikTok, YouTube, or LinkedIn. Show examples, tips, and before and after results. The final part is scale. Once you've gained some experience and built a small client base, you should start thinking about how to grow. You can do this by creating packages that make it easier for clients to choose what they want. Build templates to save time on repeat tasks. Use tools like Canva to design faster, Zapier to automate small jobs, or ChatGPT to help write content or generate ideas. After that, you can think about hiring a small team or outsourcing certain tasks. This way, you're not doing everything yourself, and you can take on more clients without working longer hours. When all 4 parts, positioning, leverage, reach, and scale, come together, your monthly income can grow from $2,000 to $10,000 or more. That's the power of building a strong skill pyramid. Chapter 7. You versus the cycle. If you don't want to be like everyone else, broke, stressed, and trapped in a never-ending cycle of struggle, you need to focus on one clear goal: making your first $10,000. This is the crucial starting point that sets everything else in motion. Once you prove to yourself that you can make money on your own, everything changes. It's not just about the money itself, but about developing the skill of making money. That skill is what truly matters. After you've done it once, you gain the confidence and knowledge to do it again. From there, it becomes possible to repeat the process and then scale your income much higher over time. Whether you're washing cars or building digital brands, remember, your first $10,000 will be the hardest, but it's also the most powerful. If you're enjoying the video so far, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. More content like this is coming to help you level up your money game. End of video disclaimer. The financial information presented represents research and educational content valid as of May 2025. Tax laws, market conditions, and regulations change frequently. Always verify current information and consult with qualified financial professionals regarding your specific situation. If you had to start from zero today, no money, no experience, what skill would you choose to master first? Let me know in the comments.